Hello everyone, thank you for watching, appreciate your time. So we're back here with the 03 350Z. We had on there a VORTEC non-rev supercharger kit. It was working, it was making boost, just a loud nasty bearing sound. And we finally got it all apart. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to show you guys the disassemble part. I promise I will show you the reassemble and then reverse order that. So we have an O-ring gasket here, and when you do this, you want to clean all this up, all this crud. That's a little bit more cleaning to do. Okay, that is this O-ring right here, like this bad boy right here. Okay, yeah. So the rebuild kit will come with all that. Make sure it does. I'll find out what company we're going to go with, and we're going to search around. So we have that. I did use a press to remove this from the propeller from this shaft that was embedded into this part of the housing. So like so. I'll give you a little quick how it was. That was like that. And then this bad boy was like this. Sorry, no cameraman today. On vacation. So there you go. It was all the way through. I used my press to push it down through. Okay, then I was able to separate it. And there is a seal there as well. Turn it over. Okay, all these bearings, 1, 2, 3, about 4 bearings. We have another O-ring right there. Let me pull it out so you guys see it. There we go. Okay, so make sure you get a new O-rings. My bearing fell out, one bearing fell apart as I pulled out, which would be this one. But it's pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna get the micrometer, and we got some heat here, some wear. I feel some groove there. So make sure that that's within tolerance to be reused again. I don't know yet. I'll find out what the numbers are. If we can't reuse it, then we have to replace that shaft. Okay. For the most part, it was pretty straightforward. That was just a little bit of a problem we had. That had to be pressed down, definitely. Okay, but I would make sure we're going to get all new seals here, all the bearings, and the O-ring seals. Okay, and then we'll go when I get everything. Then I'll definitely show the assembly part, and back in the car, and have some fun. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Ramirez at Ramirez Twins Racing. That's Ramirez, Simple Juice Performance. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.